Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Zelda on Android. First, you'll need an emulator, which is an application that mimics a game console. These powerful apps allow your Android device to run games from classic Nintendo systems, like the Nintendo 64 or GameCube. You can find many reliable emulators available for free download, often supporting a wide range of beloved Zelda titles. Simply install one to begin your adventure. Next, you'll need the game files themselves, known as ROMs. These are digital copies of the original game cartridges or discs. It's important to ensure you legally own the physical game before downloading its ROM. Many online archives and emulation communities host these files, offering a vast library of Zelda adventures. Once downloaded, store them in an easily accessible folder on your device. With your emulator installed and ROMs ready, it's time to set up. Open your chosen emulator and look for an option to load a game, often labeled Load ROM or Open Game. Navigate to the folder where you saved your Zelda ROM files and select the one you wish to play. Most emulators also allow you to customize controls, mapping virtual buttons to your preferred layout for comfortable gameplay. To truly enhance your Zelda experience, consider connecting a Bluetooth controller to your Android device. This provides a more authentic and comfortable gaming feel than touch controls. Additionally, explore the emulator's settings to optimize video and audio quality for smoother performance. Many emulators also feature save states, allowing you to save your progress at any point, not just at the game's designated save points, giving you ultimate flexibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.